Right, and our weather for weekend parades is looking good, but on the chilly side, and we will get there tomorrow. Even will be cooler than what we've seen so far this week. Yesterday, warm spring-like feel, same thing just about today, but you can see the breaks in the clouds and blue sky and sunshine warming us up. And look at our temperature map, upper 60s to lower 70s for most of our spots here in our immediate area, but it's not very far that you jump over to Macomb and Baton Rouge, and clearly that is the boundary with that much cooler air out to the northwest. And we're seeing that Shreveport in the 30s, and then we were talking about the Dallas weather, 27 degrees, and these purples, pinks, and whites, those correspond to the pinks ice, the purple sleet, and the white that you see there, snow. So across Dallas into Oklahoma and into parts of Arkansas, some wintry weather happening at this point. Now over here we're balmy, feeling like spring in the 70s, but that front again is really draped right across just northwest of our area right now. And you can see our clouds very clearly on satellite imagery, but look at all the clearing that we've seen in patches, especially south of the lake, and that's what's been warming us up. So today, clouds mixed with sun, warm and humid feel, temperatures about 76 for the high, way above the middle 60s for the average highs this point in the year. Here our next 8 hours, you can see by this evening our temperatures dropping through the 60s and just a slight chance for a stray shower. You saw a little bit outside of Baton Rouge to the west. We might see a couple of sprinkles or a stray shower tonight. We might also have some fog possible, but it doesn't look like it should be a big issue, I think, for early tomorrow when our temperatures will have dropped to 40s and 50s. Let me show you our fogcast. You saw earlier in the evening, maybe around 10 or 11, there might be a bit of patchy fog. But look at this, by tomorrow morning, if we see that front just nudge southward a little bit, like I'll show you in a second with our model, that may actually just bring our temperatures down enough and a little bit of slightly drier air to bring our fog potential perhaps down for early tomorrow. So that could be a good thing for early commuting tomorrow. Look at these temperatures tomorrow, a cool, cloudy day as that front again just nudges south, but we may actually end up hitting our high temperatures later in the day in the lower 60s. So here's Precision Cast. Let me show you this because we do have a few subtle changes that are making big differences in our weather, like 70s today compared to 50s and 60s tomorrow. 6 p.m., couple of showers around, and here's the front getting just that little bit of a southward push so that by 11 p.m. you can see that we might be getting cooler, and then 40s and 50s for early tomorrow. Look at all the cloud cover tomorrow on your Wednesday. I think we'll be mostly dry, maybe just a very slight chance for a stray shower on Wednesday, but mostly dry, cooler, and you can see even by lunchtime, a lot of clouds. Now here's that front bouncing back to the north as a warm front, and then it will stay stationary as we head into Thursday. Now this is Thursday morning, starting off quiet with clouds, but here is rain out to the west, and look at this surface low. It's going to get close to us. This is by lunchtime Thursday, starting to see showers, couple storms. This is 4 p.m. and notice most of the rain is farther north of Lake Pontchartrain, but still a decent chance for a few showers south. 9 p.m. Thursday, even after this low moves to the east of us, we may actually still have a few showers Thursday night and into very early Friday. So 3-day rain forecast. How much rain? Greens are less than a ½ inch. So you can see the heavier amounts of maybe 1+ inches would be farther to the north of Lake Pontchartrain. And there will officially be a very slight risk for a strong storm or two, maybe with a high wind gust on Thursday, especially late in the day. So we'll be watching for that, but level 1 out of 5 is not very high. Weekend parade forecast, look at this. Chilly, feeling like the 40s. I updated all these temperatures for today. So Friday night, bundle up a little bit. It will feel chilly. Saturday, we're in the 50s, but we do get sunshine during the day. And Sunday, we warm up nicely into the 60s, and it will be mostly sunny to partly cloudy. So beautiful weekend, especially later in the weekend for those comfortable temperatures, and near seasonal temperatures by Sunday. And early next week is looking nice as well.